Hello and welcome to Come Read With Me, where we take one topic from the newspaper and break it down into a 3-minute explainer. Today's topic is from the Hindu newspaper, so come read with me. The topic is Uttarakhand seeks IAF's help as forest fire rages in Valley of Flowers for the 5th day. Now, Valley of Flowers is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. A big forest fire has been burning for 5 days straight in Uttarakhand's Valley of Flower, and it is famous for its beautiful and rare flowers. This place is very high up in the mountains, about 3,300 meters above sea level, and has around 600 types of different flowers. Because it is so high and has steep mountains and no proper roads, firefighters cannot easily reach there. The fire started in the Paikhanda forest area inside the Nanda Devi National Park. And so Uttarakhand's disaster department asked the Indian Air Force, IAF, for help. The IAF can drop water from helicopters to control the fire. Normally, forest fires happen in summer between February to June. But this fire happened in January, which is quite unusual. Experts say this happened because there was very little snow. And snow keeps the land wet and prevents fire. Uttarakhand is facing a serious problem. In 2025 alone, over 1153 forest fires were reported, destroying large areas of forest. This shows that climate change and changing weather patterns are making forests more vulnerable. Let's have a look at it. Situated at an altitude of 3,300 meters above sea level in the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand, the Valley of Flowers has around 600 exotic varieties of flowers. According to the officials of the State Disaster Response Force, the fire broke out in the forest of Paikhanda under the Valley of Flowers range of the Nanda Devi National Park due to difficult terrain and the lack of access routes. Now, this topic is highly relevant for UPSC examinations. For GS Paper 1, Geography and Environment. For GS Paper 3, Environment and Disaster Management. For GS Paper 2, Governance. And for prelims also, this becomes highly important. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.